Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick video, some highlights from the afternoon sessions of my Cadwell Park visit from 3rd of August. If you haven't seen the morning session, if you look up here, that was a good vlog. There was a couple of crashes. I did one of my fastest laps on there as well. I put some race chrono overlay on. I didn't have too much in the afternoon because I got a bit tired, and I think age and fitness levels need improving, because I'm finding in the afternoons I'm starting to flag a bit and sort of seize up. But weirdly, this afternoon session I managed to get my fastest lap, only by a shave. So I didn't want to waste that, so I'm just uploading a quick afternoon session highlights video today, and there's some slow motion of a couple of my friends in there from Inter's group, so have a look at that. So yeah, I also had my suspension tweaked again. If you saw my Cadwell Park vlog from the 20th, again, look up here, Matt gave me a suspension setting, but I outgrew that by about 5 seconds a lap, and I noticed that the cable tie in the front forks was bottoming out. So essentially, tyres for bikes.co.uk, I think they're called, were there on this particular day. Matt wasn't there. They stiffened me up the compression a little bit in the front. They took a turn of rebound out, but stiffened up the compression. I didn't get too many flying laps on that, but it felt better, and it certainly wasn't bottoming out. So I'll try that again at Donington. So yeah, look, enough talking. I'll get on with the video, but it was just to introduce it. This is just a real quick highlight video, not a full vlog really like before, but maybe you'll see yourself on there. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream.
Okay, session 5 after dinner. Tyres are stone cold. I am stone cold, aching, old, fucked.
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken,
traffic jam. Jesus. Red flag. Hope whoever it is good. So we've just had session, Christ I'm lost now, session 5 I think. We just had session 5, finished pretty early, there was a crash and it took them a while to get it off. I forgot to film this and I forgot to mention, but I've had my suspension done again, or tweaked again. What I found was at the end of that 4th session I'm about 5-6 seconds a lap faster than I was in the last track day 2 weeks ago. And the marker, the tie wrap that Matt put on my front forks, I was right down to the bottom, and I was noticing a bit of sort of weaving as I'm braking. It's weaving around a bit. So I've just been to, it's not Matt unfortunately who's here today, it's another set of guys called, I can't see, my eyes are shit. Something like tracktires.co.uk. I'll tell you in a minute. Anyway, he's had a look at my bike and he's made it a bit stiffer at the front, took out a bit of preload, and he said that he reduced the preload so that the forks could have more of a range of travel, but stiffened the compression and adjusted the rebound. I don't understand it, but it felt okay. I only got really one fast lap then, so I need another session to test it out. But yeah, I just wanted to say that I'd had my suspension done again, and it's, you know, it's just one thing to bear in mind. This channel's really been set up for people getting back into bikes and showing you my journey of how things are, and obviously I'm getting a bit better now. I'm getting a little bit faster, so you just need to bear that in mind, that as you do improve, it's important to keep on top of your settings on your bike. Tires4bikes.co.uk they're called. He's a really nice guy. Yeah, but it's important for you to keep on top of the settings of your bike and make sure that they're updated and uprated for your skill level and your speed, and if you lose weight or I don't know, whatever. But like I said, I'm 5-6 seconds faster now, so that corresponds with that tie wrap hitting the bottom clearly. But it feels good, but I need to do a full session, so Another successful Cadwell Park trip completed. Kept it sunny side up, had a good time. Set a couple of little personal goals this time, which I managed to achieve, so I'm really pleased about that. One of them was to, this sounds really silly to advanced riders, but one of them was to get a knee down on the, not the hairpin green at the end of all bends, but the one leading onto the main straight. I couldn't get that right-hander right. I got my knee down there. I got my knee down at Park, which was another one that I couldn't get right. But the main goal was to get a sub 2 minute lap, which I did. I got a 1 minute 59.3. So, and I felt good doing it as well. I had the suspension tweaked as well, because I outgrew that setting that Matt gave me from the last time that you saw. So that feels better now, a bit stiffer at the front basically. So yeah, I've had a great day, really enjoyed it. Hope you've enjoyed watching it. I hope you found it interesting, and I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks very much.
I'm seeing shimmers in this long lasting